Hi, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So today I want to show you how to cook a breakfast sausage in the air fryer oven. Okay? Alright, so let's get started. Can't wait on the breakfast sausage. Alright, I'm going to adjust the camera. Let's do it. Okay, so I have made 2 Jimmy Dean sausage. Just regular Jimmy Dean sausage, okay? Comes in a roll. The roll was $3.47, so I cut off 2 pieces and made 2 sausages, alright? I've already oiled my rack that's going to go in the air fryer oven. You know, when you oil it, it helps the cleanup, right? Something else I learned recently that helps to clean up is if you give it a little spray of olive oil before you put it down, and then a little spray on the top. That also helps, because if you ever clean the rack, you really do have to put some elbow in it to get it clean, because the meat sticks to it. Okay, so just a little olive oil on both sides did the trick. Another trick that I've learned that I'm passing on to you. Okay, let me wash my hands. Okay. Now we're going to cook that on 370. That's the temperature. And let's do it for 10 minutes. They're small. It's only 2 of them. I think that might do it, but we'll see, okay? And we'll be back in 10 minutes. Okay, so you see we have 5 minutes left on our 10 minutes that we set. Okay, and I just want to turn them over. Let it cook for the other 5 minutes. Okay, and we'll be back. I just wanted to show you that. Okay, so I just wanted to give you the word of the day while I'm waiting on the sausage to cook. And also to remind you to check out the links below. I have some Amazon link below. Maybe it's something that you would like to order for your house, or some of the products I have on there. You can click the link and go on over to Amazon and see what you like, okay? Alright, now in addition to that, let me give you the word of the day. That's the best part of the day, right? The word of the day. Okay, so let's say your money is short and you really only want to go in the grocery store and spend $20 because that's all you can spare today. Alright, leave all credit cards, debit cards, checkbook, leave all of that in the car and go on in with just the $20. That way you don't go over, because you don't have means to go over with you in the store. And that will help you stay on budget. In addition to that, that will also reset your mind to make other options while you're in there so that you can reach your $20 goal. You know what I mean? And if you keep trying that, you'll see that you can really accomplish your goal. You can really get what you need without going over the budget. Okay? Alright, that's the word of the day. Leave all the credit cards, checkbooks, all of that stuff in the car, including the debit card, and go in with what you have. Work with what you have. Okay? Alright, that's the word of the day. Work it. Alright, we'll be back when the sausage stops. Thank you. Okay, so as you can see, we have our off light on our 10 minutes of cooking. Okay, let's check it out. I'm gonna take it right out. I'm gonna show you the progress. Okay, let's take a temperature and see what's going on. So I'm gonna okay, let me get my other thermometer. This is not registering. Hold on. Okay, so I'm back. Alright, I have my thermometer now. Okay, we're going to stick it right in the middle. You notice I put one on top of the other and I stuck it through so that it goes through and register. Okay, so we're past 145. You got to do 145 for pork. So that is done. And let me put it on a plate and let you see. Clean up my mess. Okay, and let me let you take a look at that. See that? How about that, huh? And let me get in the picture. There you go, Jimmy Dean sausage. So I'm going to close this video out and you can follow me over in the next video, and I'm going to show you how we're going to put the sausage, this sausage, into a breakfast sandwich. Yum, yum, yum. Follow me over there, okay? Alright. Grandma Ray don't play. I'm Rachel, and I'm out.